Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2026 BMW 5 Series? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The dashboard features a sleek digital display that provides essential driving information, including speed, navigation, and vehicle status. The cluster display provides real-time information such as speed, fuel level, engine status, and warning indicators. The LCD shows clear and detailed vehicle information, including speed, fuel, navigation, and alerts. The gear system allows the driver to select different driving modes, controlling speed and power delivery for smooth and efficient vehicle operation. Climate control automatically manages interior temperature and airflow for comfort. The steering wheel allows the driver to control the direction of the vehicle. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Seatbelt reminder, airbag system. Parking brake, brake system. Emergency stop assistant, active cruise control with distance. Pollutant emissions, forward collision warning. Lane departure warning, manual speed limiter. Cruise control, intersection collision warning. Assisted driving mode plus, steering assistant. Speed limit assistant, assisted driving mode. Speed limit assistant activated, automatic hold is activated. Automatic hold holding the vehicle, turn signal. Parking lights, high beam assistant. Dynamic stability control off, dynamic stability control. Tire pressure monitor, tail light indicator. Steering assistant, pedestrian warning. Drive off support. Safety precautions, know your symbols, immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.